DRG Kids.
The Smart Monkey. In the jungles of Vikramgarh, a deadly ferocious lion lived with his lioness. The lion and lioness lived in a huge cave in the forest. All small and big animals of the jungle were very scared of the lion. Every day the lion would hunt well and bring great food for his beloved lioness. One day the lioness told the lion,
Listen, honey, you know I am missing my mother since many days now. I want to visit my mother. You have to drop me at my mother's house today.
Okay, my dear. We will go to your mother's house in the evening. I will also stay over there with you for a few months.
Okay, I will make arrangements to go now.
Far away from the jungles of Vikramgarh, in the jungles of Haldi Ghati, lived the mother of the lioness. The lion and the lioness start making arrangements for the travel. On the other hand, a monkey in the forest of Vikramgarh lived with his wife Chameli and a little baby. They lived on the tree. The monkey listens to the conversation of the lion and the lioness stealthily, and then runs in happiness to Chameli and tells her,
Listen, Chameli, there is a good news.
I will not listen to a word you say till you make arrangements for a proper house to stay in. Understand? Rains are about to start and you don't care about us at all. Whole day you keep running from one tree to another in the jungle. Where will I go with this baby during the rains in this huge jungle, you tell me?
Oh, but I have already made arrangements for a concrete house
What? Where did you make the arrangements?
inside the lion's cave.
It seems you have gone mad. How can we stay in the lion's den, tell me? He will eat us at sight.
The lion and the lioness are going away for a few months, far away from this jungle to the jungle of Haldi Ghati, to the lioness mother's house. They will be back only after the rains.
When are the lion and lioness going?
They are both going away today evening. I have heard it with my own ears.
Listen, dear, what will you do if they come back suddenly?
I have a plan if that were to happen, my dear.
What plan do you have? Tell me too.
Bring your ears near me. I will only whisper the plan into your ears.
Chameli goes close to the monkey to hear what he has to say. The monkey whispers and tells her the plan. Chameli beams in happiness after hearing it.
Amazing, my dear husband. This is a great plan. Now we can stay in the lion's den easily.
The lion and lioness leave the jungle as known. The monkeys start living in the lion's den. All the animals in the jungle are very happy due to the lion's absence. All the animals and birds make lovely sounds because of their happiness. They dance and they talk to the monkey as well.
Brother monkey, take this. Eat this guava.
The parrot chirps and flies away happily. Right then, the elephant walks in with some sugar cane.
Brother monkey, take this. The sugarcane is tasty.
Thank you, brother elephant.
The elephant leaves with a loud trumpet.
Dear monkey brother, I have got fresh carrots for you and your child. Monkey brother, you have really got a very nice house.
Thank you, brother donkey.
And the days pass by in happiness and peace. The monkey and his family stay in the lion's den with a lot of happiness. Sometimes it rains too. Chameli and her child have a lot of fun.
Listen, dear, I'm feeling very scared.
Why?
A lot of days have passed. If the lion comes back, he will surely kill us. The rains are also about to end.
Don't worry at all, my dear Chameli. I am here only for you.
Having said this, the monkey quickly runs up the mango tree beside the den. After some more time passes by, one night there is a huge thunderstorm with rains in the jungle. The monkey, Chameli and their child wait inside the den and wait for the rains to stop. All the animals of the jungle stay inside their homes and their nests to hide from the pouring rain, and the lightning also keeps striking every now and then. The baby monkey hugs his mother in fright.
Listen, the child is getting scared.
Okay, give the baby to me. I will put him to sleep.
The monkey takes the child in his arms and tries to get him to sleep. The night finally passes. The sun shines in the next morning. The rain stops. All the animals and birds come out from their homes and stretch and flap their wings when suddenly a crow comes screaming and flies here and there to caution everyone present in the jungle. It kept flying to warn everyone.
Cow, cow! Beware! The lion is coming towards the jungle! I have seen him with my own eyes! Beware! The lion is coming! Cow, cow!
Chameli is very scared on hearing this, and she tells the monkey,
Listen, dear, the lion is about to come to the jungle. Where do we go? We have to do something at least. The lion will come and eat us alive.
Nothing needs to be done, my dear. I am here with you. When the lion comes here, you do exactly what I had told you in your ears that day.
Okay, dear, I'll do exactly that.
Yes, and then the lion will himself go away from here.
all the other animals also start running helter-skelter. The entire jungle was in a mad frenzy after hearing the news of the lion's arrival. Everyone was trying to hide here and there, and right then, the roar of the lion was heard loudly. Silence befalls the jungle. The jungle becomes extremely quiet and calm. The lion was going towards his den and roaring too. All the animals were peeking from the hideouts to look at the lion. The monkey family was inside the lion's den. The moment the lion reached the entry of the den, immediately Chameli's loud screams are heard from inside the den, and also the sound of a crying baby.
Listen, dear, quickly go and get lion's meat for the child. The child is very hungry. Today the child wants to eat only lion's meat.
Okay. I will get it right away. I will just go and drag the lion by its ears right now and bring him here.
Go and get the lion's meat quickly, please.
The lion hears both of them and gets perplexed. He thinks to himself,
God knows which ferocious animal is this. If their baby eats lion's meat, then what do these adults eat? No, I won't go in the den and risk my life. I might be killed and eaten.
the lion gets scared and starts running out of the forest. All the other animals start laughing.
What happened, Your Majesty? You just arrived and are already leaving too?
Nothing. I just remembered I have some work.
All the other animals laugh loudly together. The moment the lion reaches the end of the jungle, he comes across a very witty fox. The fox tells the lion about the monkey, but the lion does not believe the fox at all. So the fox says,
Okay, I will also come with you. Only then will you believe me, right? I'll do one thing. I will also tie my tail along with your tail.
Sure, that would be fine.
both of them tie their tails and reach the cave. Chameli sees the fox with the lion and runs to tell the monkey about this. The monkey uses the same method. The moment the lion and fox came near, Chameli shouted out,
Listen, dear, I'm taking my child and going to my mother's house. I'll feed him the lion's meat right there.
Just be a little patient. I have sent the fox. She will bring him here any moment.
The lion hears the monkey and stares at the fox with anger.
You traitor lying fox! You want me to get killed? You are friends with this ferocious beast.
The lion turns back and starts running with the fox tied to his tail.
No, my king! This is all a lie. The monkey is very smart. Stop! I'm telling the truth. Stop!
In this way, because of the smartness of the monkey, the lion leaves the jungle forever. And all the animals in the jungle sing and dance in happiness again. And the monkey, Chameli and their baby stay in the lion's den forever.